Hello, I'm back with another video on IELTS speaking. Let's learn a few more tips and tricks that can really help us nail the cue card section. Rule number 1. এমন কোনো আইডিয়া পিক করা যাবে না যেটা difficult for you to explain. আপনি যখন অ্যানসার করার জন্য টপিক প্রিপেয়ার করছেন, যেমন a place that you have recently visited, it is much better to talk about a place like a shopping mall, the museum, or even the beach, rather than talk about something as vast as the mountains. Rule number 2. শুরুতেই নোটস বানিয়ে নেওয়া ভালো, so you don't run out of ideas while you're speaking. Rule number 3. You can look at your notes as you speak, কিন্তু পুরোটা সময় নোটের দিকে তাকিয়ে কথা বলা যাবে না. Make sure the points are in short form and not in full sentences, because reading full sentences may distract you from your speech. Rule number 4. Do not begin your speech with "it was." যেহেতু এটা একটা স্পিচ, আমাদের উচিত প্রপার একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দেয়া, যেটা is relevant to our topic. You can say, "One place I recently visited," or "I recently went to," and then continue with your answer. I hope you have learned some important lessons on the cue card section from this video. That's all for today. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and our Instagram.